have to kind of sell them on why they need to be taking care of their patients' oral health care needs. And it is definitely a networking thing.
Yeah, I think we have one for Sarah, and then one I'm sure you might even be able to add a tidbit or two to Melissa. DJ asked, how do you market yourself? Do you use like cold calls, social media, referrals? Maybe what have you found particularly effective, if anything?
So really, it is a relationship with the facilities. So they have to feel comfortable letting you come in. And I do market myself. I do go to nursing homes and try to let people know what I'm doing. But it's hard to get in because they aren't just going to let anyone in by these geriatric compromised patients. So it usually goes through the nursing home administrators, the director of nursing. And then you have to present. You do have to kind of sell them on why they need to be taking care of their patients' oral health care needs. And it is definitely a networking thing. These administrators and these nurse practitioners at the facilities, they move. They aren't at the same ones always. And so if you have a good product and you have a good name out there, they take your name with them. And that has been a huge blessing for us. It's been not just for myself, but also for the hygienists that work with me. They say, you've got to have these guys in your facility. So it's been great.
Very cool.
I mean, over the last 4 years, you started out with 1 or 2 facilities, and now you have well over 75, correct?
I think, yeah. So we have about 64. And then I know that in my tab account, it's up to like 75, but a few of them are individual patients in their own residence that I have a doctor that has asked me to go and see those patients at their homes. So we go into about 64 facilities though. Yeah. So, and that doesn't just happen. It's very hard to get into them. So yeah.
It took some time.
It took some time. Yeah. And that is also why I bought a practice from my mentor, is because it gave me credibility. So I bought, in my purchase option to her, it was about 7 facilities. So then I got to kind of work into those 7 facilities and then say, this is the other facilities that I go into. And, just to go out there, they ask you, what facilities are you in? And you say nowhere. That's not a good sign.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That makes total sense.
With any business, right? It's always hard to get off the ground.
And then also one other thing is Tab. Tab has really helped me market here during COVID. So I thank you guys for supporting me and having me do this. This is a great way to get my name out there. And